Hey, welcome to my video. So this is my invoice automation object character recognition system project that I have built on, and I will share my GitHub repo link inside the job description. Sorry, video description. You can go and check it out. You will get all the codes there. So this is my architecture note. So actually, what the this project is does that it uses OCR to convert invoice documentation documents into text and applies rule-based extraction to structure the data and store the result in an Excel file. And I have built using Streamlit. So this is my architecture node. So that is done in the five steps. First is input layer, then second is processing layer, third is business logic, fourth is storage layer, and the fifth is UI layer. And this is my I will I will go through all my codes one by one, and you can also go and check to my GitHub repo, and you will get all the codes there. So this is my ocr.py file. This handles the process of OCR project process. It uses Tesseract to extract the text from invoices. The process helps to improve the OCR accuracy for wildlife invoices. And this is my uh, extractor.py file. This is responsible for extracting structured data from the raw OCR text. It uses role based logic to identify key fields such like vendor name, invoice amount, due dates, and categories. It also compares the aging by comparing the due date with the current date. Based on aging, it classifies invoices as overdue or upcoming. And this is my storage.py file. So this handles the data storage. It uses Pandas to convert the extracted data into structure format and save it to an Excel file. And this is my main.py file. So this helps this is the main pipeline. uh, it is help for batch processing invoices. And this is my app.py file. This file creates a user interface using streamlits. Once the file is uploaded, the data is also saved automatically to the Excel file. And now I am going to go to my open terminal. I will open my terminal, and I will run. It will redirect to my local host to my default browser, that is Chrome browser. So now I am using the Streamlit application that you are seeing right now. This is the user interface of the invoice automation system. I can upload an invoice file in image format, and so I am trying to uh, upload one invoice that I have saved internally into my shop. So I will first upload the invoice 15. So after uploading, you can see the system process the OCR and extract the raw data, which is displayed here. And you can see the extracted JSON file and the invoice table view. And you can see the vendor name, when invoice amount, due dates, categories, and status. And we will check it, is it saved on in our Excel file or not. This is my Excel file. And you can see that here the vendor name is extracted automatically. So you can see the name of the vendor here, and here both are same. So now I will upload one another file, one another image, invoice, sorry. So right now I will upload invoice 11. And you can see the OCR text and extracted data is there. And you can see the vendor name is Samsung Trading, invoice amount is 14.10, and the due date is 29th December 2017. So we will check it out, is it saved in the same Excel file or not. And you can see that the name of the vendor is Samsung Trading, invoice amount is 14.10, and due date is 29th December 2017. Now I will upload another one invoice. This time I will upload invoice 7, you can say, and you can see the raw OCR text and expected JSON, and it is saved inside my Excel file. So now once again I will update this. I will open my Excel file, and you can see the name of the vendor is Light Room Gallery SDN, and invoice amount is 4.13, and the invoice is 4.13, and the due date is 20th December 2017, and the same is reflected here also. So these extracted data is also displayed in the tabular format for better readability. To conclude this project, demonstrate how an OCR and rule-based processing can be used to automate invoice management workflows. It reduces manual efforts, improve efficiencies, and provide structured data for business decision making. Thanks for watching this video, and all my codes are there in the GitHub repo, and I am sharing the GitHub repo link inside the video description. You can go and check it out. Thanks for watching till here. Thank you.